Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to cut and sew this Bubu Caftan dress with Ashoke neckline design. If this is something you're interested in, then keep up watching, and please don't forget to like this video, comment, share and subscribe. This really helps my algorithm a lot. So I'm going to be using two fabrics, Ashoke and crepe. So the first thing I want to do is to go ahead and open up my fabric like this. I have about 3 yards of crepe, so I'm going to fold it into two and iron it for a smoother look. Then I'll further go ahead and fold it into two, so in total I'm going to be having 4 pieces, as you can see. After folding it, I will go ahead and mark a straight line across my fabric. This line is going to be serving as the shoulder line. I will go ahead and pin the fabrics together. So I'll place the tape on the shoulder line. I will mark the width of the neckline, which is 3.5 inches. For the depth, I will mark 1.5 inches. This neckline I just marked is going to be serving for the back. So to mark the front, I will place my tape on this point here. I will slant my tape like this and mark 9 inches downward. So after marking it, I'll go ahead and connect the points together like this. This neckline is going to be serving as the back neckline, and this one is going to be serving as the front neckline. So I'll place my tape on the shoulder. I will mark half of my shoulder measurement, not my shoulder measurement to my client shoulder measurement. I'll divide it by 2 and mark it there. Then for the length of the bubble sleeve, this is it has a continuation sleeve, so I'll go ahead and mark 12 inches like this. So this depends on what you want to do. From that point, I will come down by 1 inch for shoulder slope. So after marking that 1 inch, I'll go ahead and connect it onto the width of the neckline. So after connecting the shoulder slope, I will place my tape on that shoulder. I will mark the wideness of the sleeve. I mark 10 inches. So after marking 10 inches, I'll place my tape on the shoulder and measure the full length I have from there to the shoulder slope. Whatever I have, I will also mark it on this part here like this. Then I'll just go ahead and mark a straight line from the shoulder slope to that 10 inches I marked downward. Then I will place my tape on this line here. I will divide bust my client bust by 4. I will mark it. After marking it, I will add extra 4 inches for ease allowance. This is a Bubu Caftan dress, so I'll just go ahead and mark a straight line to meet sleeve the depth of the sleeve like this. So after marking it, I will place my tape on the shoulder line. I will mark from there to her hip line. From there to her hip line, I will place my tape on the hip line. I will divide her hip by 4. After marking it, I will add extra 4 inches for ease and journey allowance. Then I will place my tape on the shoulder. I will mark the full length of the gown. So you can go ahead and make use of 50 inches, or depending on your length though. So I'll mark the full length. After marking it, I will just measure what I have left, which is 1 inch. So I'll mark it here like this and connect the points together. Don't forget to add your foldy or hemi allowance. I'll place my tape there, divide the hip by 4 and mark it. Add extra 3 inches for ease and journey allowance instead of 4 like I did for the rest. So I'll go ahead and connect from the down to the hip and from the hip to the chest line like this. Then I'll go ahead and curve the armhole like this. Just curve it. There's no special way of doing that. So after I'm done, I'll go ahead and cut it out just like as you can see me doing. So after cutting it out, I will not cut through the exact line and mark around the shoulder and the neckline. I added half inch for journey allowance. So after cutting it out, I will open it and remove the inner one. That one is going to be serving for the back part. Then for the front part, I'll go ahead and rearrange it and cut out the neckline. Add half inch for journey allowance as well. So this is the Ashoke for the neckline and sleeve design. So I'll go ahead and fold it into two. After folding it into two, I will measure from there to her waistline, which is 60 inches. After marking it, I'll mark a straight line across, then I'll cut it out. Don't forget to add your journey allowance. So after cutting it out, I went ahead to join it together. After joining it, I went ahead to iron it just like as you can see me doing. So I'm just going to fold it into two, then place the neckline of the dress on it, then pin it down. I'll go ahead and cut out the V neckline on the Ashoke as well. So after cutting it out, I will just go ahead and open it up and cut out this excess around the vein part like this, cut it out. Then I'll go ahead and fold the edge like this, and I will fold the other side. Just go ahead and fold the edges round and also the down part. Fold it with at least half inch, okay? Iron it. please fold it to the wrong side, the back part of the Ashoke. Once you are done ironing it, place it on your fabric. The right side of the Ashoke is going to be facing the wrong side of the fabric. Then go ahead and pin the neckline together like this. After pinning it, take it to the same machine and stitch it. So once you're done stitching it, go ahead and notch the middle so that you can top stitch on it. So after notching it, I want you to trim out the excesses around the v-neck part. Okay, I will also trim out this part. So once I'm done trimming it, I will go ahead and notch it. Okay, just notch it around. Then take it to the same machine, flip it to the back like this, and top stitch on the main fabric. Okay, just top stitch on it. So once you're done top stitching, flip it to the front part of the fabric like this. Then go ahead and arrange it. Once you're done arranging it, iron it. Okay, just go ahead and arrange it and iron it. Once you're done ironing it, then pin the sides like this and pin it down as well. Arrange it, take it to the same machine and stitch it round. So this is just me stitching it. As you're stitching it, be arranging it so that it will not look rough around the sewing part. Just make sure you smoothen out your fabric before you stitch, just like as you can see me doing. Please guys, if you know this video is already helpful, please go ahead and like this video, comment on it and share it. This really helped my algorithm a lot. So once I'm done sewing it, I'll just trim out the excess around the shoulder and iron it. Then I'll place the back part on it. I've gone ahead to turn the neckline of the back part. Then I will join the shoulders together like this and pin it. Once I'm done pinning it, I will take it to the same machine and stitch it down with 1/2 inch. I will do the same thing for the other side. So guys, I've gone ahead to sew it. I will just go ahead and iron the shoulder open like this just to make it neat. I will iron the other side. Once I'm done ironing it, I will go ahead and work on the sleeves. So first of all, I will trim out this excess on this side. Then I will measure the wideness of the sleeve that I have here. So I will go ahead and measure the length that I have left for the Ashoke. So it's going to be enough, even more than. Then I'll go ahead and fold the Ashoke into two and iron it like this. So once I'm done ironing it, I'll go ahead and divide it into two, one for the left hand and the other one for the right hand of the sleeves. Then I will also go ahead and measure what I have here. So the wideness is okay. I'm just going to fold it into two again. I'm going to be folding each piece into two. So I'll go ahead and fold it into two and iron it. Then I will do the same thing for the other piece as well. Once I'm done ironing it, I'm just going to attach it to the sleeves of the bubu. I will go ahead and pin it on it like this. After pinning it, I will trim out the remaining one like this. I will take it to the same machine and stitch it down. I will do the same thing for this other side. I will pin it and stitch it down. After stitching it, I will just go ahead and iron it like this. So once I'm done ironing it, I'll go ahead and arrange it so that I can shape in the side. I will go ahead and pin the sides like this downward. So I will measure 7 inches upward. I want it to have like a slit around the down part. If you don't want yours to have a slit, very good. You can just sew it to the end. I'll go ahead and stitch it down with 1/2 inch or 0.75 inches if you want to. You can use 1/2 inch or 3/4 inches. And this is the outcome of the dress, guys. This is also beautiful. Please go ahead and like this video, comment on it, share it, follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.